You shared the link to your website on Facebook, but it's not showing the right image and it's not even showing the right text. If that has ever happened to you, you probably need to use something called the Facebook Debugger tool. And I'm going to show you how to update what's called the social sharing image and the text so that when you're sharing it via Facebook, via text message, or even via DM on social media, that the right image and the right text shows up. I'm also going to show you how you can update your social sharing image and the text within Membervault. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so when you're in your Membervault account, scroll down to settings, and then you're going to want to click on general. And when you get here, scroll all the way down to where you see social sharing. So I just uploaded a random image. And for the title of my site, I put Effortless Launch. And then for the description, I just put a whole bunch of letters. And I click Save. Now, what's really cool about Membervault is that they even add a link to the Facebook Debugger tool. And you can use this tool for any website, whether it be WordPress, Kajabi, Wix, or whatever you're using. You can always use this Facebook Debugger tool to update your social sharing images. So what I'm going to do is share the link to my Membervault account onto Facebook, and we're going to see what pulls up. Okay, so I went ahead and created a post on Facebook, and as we can see, the image that I uploaded for my social sharing image is there. It has the website, the title that I put on there, and then all those random letters that I put. And I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when I make a change in Membervault and then try to post it again. And you're going to see that it's going to show the same information. All right, so I'm back on my Membervault account, and I'm going to make a change to the description, and I'm also going to change the image and just see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the image and add something totally different. Okay, so I went ahead and changed the image, and I changed the description as well. So I'm going to repost that link and see what shows up on Facebook. All right, so I just reposted the link, and as you can see, it's still showing the same image, and it's still showing that text that I had before. So now I need to use the Facebook Debugger tool to make it update to the new image that I put in the new text that I put. So let's go over how to do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Facebook Debugger, and it's going to take me right over to the tool that you're going to want to bookmark so that you can use this at any time. So right now it's actually showing me what it should be, and that was actually really cool that it just automatically had the information there for me. So it is showing the correct information right now, and it looks like it automatically made the adjustments so that the new image can show up. So now if I were to post this link on Facebook again, it should show the right information. I'm going to actually refresh this page and see what happens. And as you can see, it already works. Now that's something really cool that Membervault did. So it automatically made the change. Normally you have to put the link in here, click debug yourself, and then it makes the adjustments. And sometimes if it doesn't make the adjustment right away, you might need to click on scrape again so that it pulls the most recent information. So if that's ever happened to you where you put an image and then later on you go and make a change, but when you share the link, it's still showing the old image, you want to come over here and use the Facebook Debugger tool. And again, it's really nice that Membervault already has this right here within your account. And again, don't forget, you can use this for any website on any platform.